Greetings, fellow travelers and cruisers. T5 the Traveler with Becky the Trekkie here on the MSC Seascape. This time we're going to show you Venchi. This is the chocolatier from Italy, and they can get signature drinks over here. We're going to get an adult cappuccino, but first let's show you some of the options that they've got down here. Very good, all Italian chocolates. They've got white chocolate, they've got dark chocolate, some have nuts, or if you want something a little bit light, that's the minis. They've got those available there as well. They've got some gift packages in the $16, $18 range for everybody at home. Other items, very nicely decorated. It's a nice decor. They have some higher end singles over here, and this is going to be in the $9 a pound range, or for 100 grams, $9 for 100 grams, excuse me. Not going by the US system over here, but that's all good. We've got the custom chocolate package box there, $40 if you're looking for something. These look like Cuban cigars, and I think we're actually going to get a Cuban cappuccino with a little bit of rum. We're Americans, so we normally don't get to try anything from Cuba, so since we can, I guess we will. So we'll get up here and get our order in, and we'll see you for the drinks. Okay, so they brought us a paper menu. Normally you scan the app, but I'll just put it out here so everybody can see real good. They've got espresso, and that's in the $3 to $5 range. That's that Cuba rum cappuccino right there. It's in the $9 range, so we can get that on our drink card, and we'll get 2 of those and see what it looks like. So they do have a full bar up here. Got the Maker's Mark, the Doers, and they're making those 2 cappuccinos. I see Jack Daniels, a few other items. They got Absolute, Bel Air vodka. Oh God, that's not cinnamon, is it? Thank you. Okay, these are the Cuban rum cappuccinos. So I've never had Cuban rum. Cheers. Wow, it's really rich. Look at the layering, and it's really kind of it's hard to describe. It's very rich. Oh, there it is. Cuban chocolate rum.
Huh.
And cream. It's a custom rum. Right here. I think they give you a little chocolate with it. You want to try the chocolate?
Sure.
Let's see. They give you a little sample of the chocolate. We'll give it a try. You got yours open? It's got the B on it. I think it's a dark chocolate. Just take a little nibble here and see how it is. Oh, it's really good. It reminds me of that chocolatier from Las Vegas. What's Ethel M? We did a video tour there. It's called Ethel M Chocolate. Definitely check that one out. We do believe that this is maybe a specialty restaurant, so that's maybe why it's not so crowded. So these are a special charge or an upcharge. I think they're $10.62 on the card, but we wanted to give it a go because we've never had anything from Cuba because it's of the embargo and being Americans and all that good stuff. It'd be really nice if we can maybe think about that in the future, because I'd love to visit there and never been able to do that, so might be cool. They seem to have good rum. So, all right, well, we'll give it another go. They've got nice chocolate on top. It's layered. I'm curious what the bottom of this is going to taste like, because they got that authentic chocolate down there, and so we'll stay to the end to finish this one for sure. And cheers, MSC Seascape. It's really good, and that's gonna wake us up before dinner. So If you're new to the channel and this is your first video, welcome. If you've been with us for a while and haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. Big thank you to all our loyal subscribers and fellow travelers out there. We appreciate you, and we'll see you very soon on the next one. Bye, everybody.